30-day low-carb diet ketosis plan, day 2. In breakfast. Strawberry crepes. Ingredients for strawberry crepes. Butter enough to fry crepes. 3 large eggs. 2/3 cup heavy cream. 3 tablespoons Dr. Atkins bake mix. 4 tablespoons sugar substitute. 1/8 teaspoon almond extract. 1/4 teaspoon vanilla extract. 1/2 teaspoon orange zest grated. Strawberry filling. 2 cups strawberries, washed, hulled and sliced. 6 tablespoons twin sugar substitute. Prepare a heavy, 8-inch skillet or crepe pan with heated butter. Whisk all crepe ingredients together in mixing bowl. Once the butter stops foaming, pour 1/6 crepe mixture into skillet, making sure to cover the bottom evenly. Cook until the bottom is browned and the top is set. Use a spatula to flip the crepe and brown the other side. Once done, transfer to a paper towel. Repeat this procedure with remaining batter and butter. Next, make your filling by combining strawberries with sugar substitute and spoon about 1/4 of the mixture on each crepe. Add light whipped cream to taste and garnish with remaining strawberries. Yields 6 servings total net carbs, 6.6 grams per serving. In lunch. Ham asparagus brunch cake. Ingredients for ham asparagus brunch cake. 2 tablespoons butter. 3 tablespoons sliced green onion. About 1/2 pound fresh asparagus, cut about 1.5 cups. 6 eggs. 1/3 cup heavy cream. 1 teaspoon dried mustard. 1/4 teaspoon salt. 1/4 teaspoon pepper. 2 cups cooked ham, chopped. 6 ounces cheddar cheese, shredded. Preheat oven to 350. In a large, heavy skillet, melt butter over medium-high heat and cook onions and asparagus for 3 minutes. In a large mixing bowl, stir together eggs, cream and seasonings. Place cooked onions, asparagus and ham into a baking dish and pour the egg mixture on top. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes and sprinkle cheese on top to taste. Yields 10 servings. Total net carbs, 2 grams per serving. In dinner. Lemon marinated sirloin. Ingredients for lemon marinated sirloin. 1 pound steak, your choice of cuts. 1 teaspoon finely shredded lemon peel. 1/2 cup lemon juice. 1/3 cup cooking oil. 2 tablespoons sliced green onion. 4 teaspoons Splenda. 1.5 teaspoons salt. 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce. 1 teaspoon prepared mustard. 1/8 teaspoon pepper. If steak has fat around edges, be sure to score them first with a knife. Place the steak into a shallow baking dish. Combine all ingredients to make the lemon marinade and pour over steak. Allow sitting in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours so the marinade has a chance to soak in. Grill steak to your preference on an outdoor grill, adding leftover over marinade during cooking to maintain tenderness. Yields 6 servings. Total net carbs, 2 grams per serving. Total net carbs for day 2 based on a single serving per meal, 10.6 grams. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy this video. Subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and do like, share and comment below.